Hello from Sandals and Grill. A little bit of rain right now. I'm going to do a room tour anyway. It's outside my hallway. Inside, lovely room. Bathroom. Very nice walk-in shower. King size bed. Here is the minibar fridge. Soft fridge there. Let's see what's in there. The seating area of the room. Little desk there. Like I said, it is raining a little bit, so it's a little gray out there right now. It'll be better, but you can see how close we are to the ocean. These rooms are right next to the ocean. As all the rooms on the Grill are. Sandals and Grill, all rooms are very close to the ocean. Beautiful 7 Mile beach.